What are electric lines of force? Electric lines of force are imaginary curves used to represent the direction and strength of an electric field at any point. A tangent drawn at any point on these lines gives the direction of the electric field intensity at that location. In an electric motor, what is the effect of forces acting in opposite directions on the two ends of a coil? In an electric motor, a current-carrying coil in a magnetic field experiences a torque because the magnetic forces act in opposite directions on its two ends. This torque causes the continuous rotation of the coil, which converts electrical energy into mechanical work. Vibration is usually an unintended side effect of imbalance rather than the primary effect of the motor's forces. The forces are designed to turn the coil, not to cause physical expansion of the wire material. Translation refers to linear movement, whereas motors are specifically designed for rotational motion around an axis. What happens to water when an electric current passes through it? The process of passing an electric current through water to break it down into its constituent elements is known as electrolysis. This chemical change results in the production of hydrogen gas at the cathode and oxygen gas at the anode. What is the phenomenon called when an electric current flows through a conductor and produces heat? When current flows through a conductor with resistance, electrical energy is converted into heat energy due to collisions between electrons and atoms. This is known as Joule heating and is the principle behind devices like electric heaters and irons. Which material listed allows electric charges to pass through it? Aluminum is a metallic element with free electrons that allow it to conduct electricity efficiently, making it a common material for power lines. In the context of physics, materials that allow the flow of electric charge are classified as conductors. What is another term for materials that do not allow electric charges to pass through them? Non-conductors, also known as insulators, are materials that do not allow electric charges to flow through them due to their high resistance. These materials, such as rubber and plastic, are used to protect users from electric shocks by covering conductive wires. Sources of electricity are devices like generators or batteries that provide the energy needed for current to flow. B. Cells are individual units that store chemical energy and act as a source of power in a circuit. C. Conductors are materials like copper or silver that have low resistance and allow electricity to pass through easily. Which cable connects an appliance to the main electricity supply? A power cord is an electrical cable that temporarily connects an appliance to a mains electricity supply via a wall socket or extension cord. It is designed to safely carry the required voltage and current to operate the device. Mic cables are used to transmit audio signals from a microphone to an amplifier or recording device. HDMI cables are used for transmitting high-definition video and audio signals between digital devices. USB cables are primarily used for data transfer and low-voltage charging of portable electronic devices. Which type of energy do solar cells convert into electricity? Solar cells, or photovoltaic cells, are electronic devices that convert the energy from sunlight directly into electricity using the photovoltaic effect. This technology is a cornerstone of renewable energy initiatives aimed at reducing carbon footprints globally. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.